Check out this 2007 Saturn Ion. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Optimize your fuel economy while saving money in the long term with the great miles per gallon offered in this vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.